Hi everyone, my name is Amos of Thinkable Forex. Just a quick one to show you how I analyze my market when market closes at the weekend and to prepare for the week ahead. This is Euro Yen. I normally trade 4 hours daily, and as you can see, the market moved downward this way, and this channel was formed. Whenever I find out or discover this kind of channel, I always look for short. And I followed this one throughout last week, and as you can see here, it's telling me it's up. But once I see this kind of movement, I always wait for a short trade. And whenever I see the one that's looking like this, I always look for long trade, no matter what it does. So it's showing me this sign that I want to go up here, but once I've made up my mind and I know my setup and I stick to it, I'll be looking for it. And you can see what happened here 2 days, and this drop down. Now I'm waiting for pull back to that level to see the market reaction, if it's going to bounce and continue downward. Although it wasn't a very healthy breakdown, and compared to these ones, that's what you want to see. You want to see a momentum break and a breakout, and then you see some pullback for you to go. But nevertheless, you still got to break out, and you just have to do good money management and to stick to your plan, and that way you don't lose much or you don't disturb much if at all the market try to go wrong way. But I'll be looking and monitoring what the market does at this level to see if I'm going to be able to go short on that. Next up is a zero card. It's a zero card. I have nothing to do there because it's happening in no man's land. If it's happening right here, the market is happening somewhere here. If this market is around in here, I'll be looking for the market to go down, pull back, continuation, or break up, pull back, continuation. But for now, it's in no man's land. If you look at it on daily as well, it's in no man's land. So I'm not trading it, I'm not participating. I'll wait for some couple of days to see what happened on that. Next up is on card. It's the same thing, no man's land. I will not be participating in that. If it's happening right here, I'll be monitoring it closely. Go down, go back, continuation, breakout, back, continuation. But here now is in no man's land. I will not be participating. Because one thing that happened during the week, is this level was drop down back to that level, and if you put your Fibonacci retracement to be 50% there, which is a nice trade down. But for this, what is happening right now, I will not be trading until it comes to this area. If anything happen here, then I will trade. If something happen here, I will trade. Or if this candle move down to this level, what the candle said to me, if it's a nice bounce, then I can trade upward. Otherwise, here I will be participating. Next stop, Spanish Z. Actually, I took this trade last week, and I'm still in minus at the moment. But that doesn't stop me from still looking at this, because it's a nice type of trade I'm talking about. It's happening right at the bottom of the move. It's happening right at the bottom of the move. So we wait, because if you see here, bounce here, refuse to go down, bounce here, refuse to go down, bounce here, refuse to go down. It's Lama as well, bounce here, refuse to go down, and it's doing the same thing. So if you go down now, we just wait for a little bit, pull back in continuation. Otherwise, the candle next to this one will decide whether you should take aggressive, if you are an aggressive trader, or you wait until the break, which is very far away, to make your trade. That's how that one is. Next up is Euro USD. I can see that I have my Fibonacci level from here, and you can see my 60%. On Euro, I like to trade 61%. On pounds, I like to trade 50%. So if you see the move, it's been coming down. The market came all the way down from top down. And if you look at this place, there's a little bit of pause there. The market is coming up. It refused to go up, instead continue downward. And what happened? The market moved all the way up. And this is what it's doing now. The market is coming back down. And remember, once a resistance will become support, or once a support become resistance. That is what is happening now. So the market passed through and is coming from the top to touch that level. And I have my round number, and I have this trend line, and I have 61% Fibonacci. So I will be waiting onto that level. For some days now, I've been waiting. If the market decides to go up from here, I will pass on this and I'll go to another currency. Next, Spanian daily chart as well. As you can see, the market has been, struggling to go. Now when it comes here, it bounce off, it bounce off. Now it's doing the same thing. So I'm waiting to see if the market get to this level. Is it going to bounce or is it going to break through? Wherever it does, I will be trading here, but I will not trade here until we get to this line. That's why I will be trading. My stop is euro yen. I've taken about 200 pips on this currency last week, and I still believe it's still going to come down here, because since this level was broken, that's not, returned to that level. And if you look at that, it's a nice channel. It was broken, and the market doesn't turn back, and now it's coming towards that level again. If you look at it properly, see that level there? It was broken. Nice momentum candle, and it went back, and it's bouncing. Actually, I will show you proper. You can see, right? That level was broken. Nice momentum candle, and now it's bouncing. It's serving as a resistance at that level. So if market open now and that level holds, I will be looking for short. And if you remember, that level is still there to touch, so I can get some pips between here, and that's it. Let's not plan on that. My stop is pound CHF, nothing much on pound CHF, so I'll forget about pound CHF at the moment. And USD CHF is a nice one. All you need to do is to keep eyes on that level. What is happening here? If market open Monday and close below this line, one number, then you're looking for short. If you break through, you look for pullback continuation. If you break up, you look for pullback continuation. And if you decided to, come close below this line, you'll be looking for short. It's simple as that. So for that, New Zealand dollar is the same. You can see big move up, ranging. I would prefer this to break down because it's close to below. Break down, pullback continuation. That's what I'll be looking for in this currency. Next up is $1. You can see what I'm talking about. Up, doing uptrend, and it's coming down now, but it's compressing, which is what we call flat bottom triangle, which I'll be looking for. Down to break down. I prefer to break down, pullback continuation. Easy peasy. Aussie USD, you can see there's nothing for me to trade here because it's in no man's land until we break this level. Pullback continuation or up, pullback continuation. So no man's land, I will be participating in that at the moment. Euro USD is the same. Now it's the area, the level to be keep high on, because this area has been holding twice. It hold and we break it up. It's testing from the top. It's an area to see if it's going to bounce. If it bounces, then take your trade up. Otherwise, if you break down, look for pullback and continuation. I hope you enjoyed this. We'll be showing you more during the week. Thank you.